Have you ever wondered what it's like to travel on India's most modern train? A German tourist, Alexander Welder, just took social media by storm by sharing his experience, and his review might surprise you. In a viral video, Alexander and his companion documented their journey on the Vande Bharat Express, and his first impressions were pretty striking. Today, we are taking a journey on what is considered India's most modern train, the Vande Bharat, in executive class. I am going to show you what experience on this train is like, he began. Right away, he was impressed by the swivel seats that rotate to face the window, letting you soak in the scenery. It looks a bit like I am in a Japanese or a Chinese high-speed train, he exclaimed. He also pointed out the incredibly spacious overhead compartments, easily fitting a very large piece of luggage. He even noted the coach had both Indian and Western-style toilets. The journey wasn't just about comfort. It was a full-service experience. Shortly after boarding, they were given a complimentary water bottle. This was followed by a warm soup, and then their pre-ordered main course arrived. Alexander showed off the spread, saying, "We have chapati, 2 different curries, rice, and vegetables, and we have ice cream over there." But the food didn't stop. A little while later, he was pleasantly surprised again. "And we just got snacks also included in the ticket." How crazy is that? As the train neared its destination, Alexander wrapped up his review with the most impressive part: the price. "We almost arrived at our destination, and the entire 5.5-hour train ride just cost us 2,100 rupees per person, or $23, including all meals and snacks. That's an incredible value for such a modern and comfortable journey." The video quickly racked up hundreds of thousands of views, and the comments poured in. People loved seeing this positive side of India. One user wrote, "Love it when our guests from around the world enjoy our facilities. ... which means the guest is God." Another commenter pointed out that for tourists looking for true luxury, India offers even more opulent options, like the Maharaja's Express and the Palace on Wheels. A user from Europe highlighted the value, commenting, "That's a really good price compared to Europe. Sometimes you don't even get to sit in Germany without seat reservations if trains are very full." Others expressed pride in India's progress, with one comment saying, "It is only when you look back and see the railway video archives of before 2014 that you will realize how far we have come." And that pride is what the Vande Bharat Express is, a shining example of the Make in India initiative. It's built at the Integro coach factory in Chennai, with its design, technology, and assembly all being homegrown. It's a symbol of India's advancing railway system, offering a world-class experience at an accessible price point. So, next time you think about train travel in India, remember, it's not just about getting from one place to another. It's about experiencing modern innovation and warm hospitality. Alexander's journey shows that India is racing ahead, offering travel experiences that can stand shoulder to shoulder with the best in the world. What do you think? Have you traveled on the Vande Bharat? Let us know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing travel stories.